Searching for a free AI tool that can turn your script into a complete video? What if I told you that all you need to do is paste your script, and the AI will handle everything? From generating a professional voiceover, to adding matching visuals, smooth transitions, sound effects, and even background music that fits your video's vibe. And yes, it's 100% free. Sounds too good to be true? I'm going to prove it, live step by step in this video. So don't skip any part or you'll miss the exact script to video AI free hack that could change your content creation game. Alright, let's jump straight into the tool. First, search InVideo AI on Google or click the link in my description. Once you're on the page, click Try InVideo and sign in with your Google account. Now, you'll land in your workspace. Here's where the free script-to-video AI magic happens. You can either type your video topic, and the AI will generate the script and full video for you, or, if you already have a script, just click Use My Script and paste it in. Next, choose your video platform. It's set to YouTube by default, but you can switch it to Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform you're targeting. I'll stick with YouTube for this tutorial. Now scroll down a bit. This is the most important part of the video. Here you'll see several settings that you need to customize. To help you get the best results and fully understand how the tool works, I'll briefly explain each key setting you should know. The first setting is media. You'll see 3 options here. Generated clips. This will generate short video clips using AI to build your video. Generated images. This option uses only AI-generated images in your video. Stock media. If you choose this, the AI will create your video using only stock footage. By default, stock media is selected. The second setting is background music. Here you can type in the style of music you want, like energetic, motivational, or informational, and the AI will pick a matching track. Next is the language setting, which controls the voiceover. You can choose from a wide range of languages depending on your audience. I'll go with English for this tutorial. Then we have subtitles. If you want to include subtitles in your video, you can select the subtitle format you prefer right here. Next up is the voice actor setting. Here you can choose the type of voice you want, male or female, and even select the accent. Pick whatever suits your video best. After that, you'll see watermark text. Honestly, it doesn't serve much purpose, so you can just ignore it. Then there's music preference. I recommend leaving this as is. All the music provided is copyright free, so you don't need to worry about that. Now the stock preference setting is actually important. Make sure to choose either use fewer iStock or don't use iStock. If you leave it on full iStock, your video might end up with large, distracting watermarks, and that doesn't look good. Once you've adjusted all the settings you need, click Continue, then hit Generate Video. The AI will begin analyzing your script. Give it a moment. After that, you'll land on one more page. Here, select your target audience, and confirm your platform, like YouTube or Instagram. Once everything's set, hit Continue again. Now the free script-to-video AI engine takes over. It'll handle everything from the voiceover, visuals, and background music to subtitles and full video editing. Just wait a few moments while it generates the video. When it's done, you'll see a watermark on the video. But don't worry, I'll show you a trick to hide that later in this tutorial. For now, play the video.
There are some mornings when the weight is heavier than usual, when even getting out of bed feels like lifting the world, when your chest is tight and the silence is screaming, and you think to yourself, is this all there is? You're not alone. Millions feel that ache, that silent war behind every smile. But here,
and check if everything looks good. If you want to make any changes, like swapping the voice, adjusting the subtitles, or tweaking the visuals, just type in your request. For example, you could type, change the voice to a different one, or use a new subtitle style. Once you've entered your changes, hit Generate again. It'll take a bit of time to apply the updates, review it once more, and if it's still not right, repeat the process until it matches your preferences. When everything looks perfect, click Download and you'll be taken to the final screen. Choose the export settings. I recommend using the same ones I selected, then hit Continue. Now some of you might be wondering, should I upgrade to the Pro version of InVideo? My answer, yes, but only if you really need it. The Pro version unlocks more features and advanced options. If you're interested in what those are, let me know in the comments. I'll make a separate video explaining everything. But if you're just getting started, the free plan is more than enough to create great videos without spending a dime. Now back to the video. Once you've downloaded and opened it, you'll notice a watermark on the screen. That's what we need to hide. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to cover it up with a simple trick. To hide the watermark, we need to cover the area where it appears. Here's how to do it. First, take a screenshot of your video with the watermark visible. Then go to Canva using the link in the description. Click. Create a design, then type thumbnail and open it. Next, click upload your screenshot, and drag it onto the canvas. Now we need to add some text or graphics to cover the watermark. Click on the Elements tab and search for subscribe. Then click on Graphics and choose any free graphic you like. Add it to your canvas and position it directly over the watermark to hide it. Next, we'll cover the Storyblocks watermark text. Again, click on the Elements tab and search for name tag. Pick any free graphic and place it over the watermark area to help cover the watermark. After that, go to the Text tab and choose any pre-made style. I'll go with this one. Change the text to your channel name, adjust the size and position, and layer it on top of the name tag. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for circle. Choose a frame and any circle graphic you like from the results. Then, upload your channel logo, drag it into the frame and adjust the size and position. Place the circle directly over your channel. Now it looks like a clean branding element. Now click share, then download. Set the file type to GIF, enable transparent background, and download it. Once the GIF is downloaded, open CapCut and import both your video and the GIF. Drag the video to your timeline, then place the GIF over the watermark area. Watermark hidden. Now you might be wondering, does the video generated by the AI match the script perfectly? The answer is no. And you'd be fooling yourself to think AI gets it 100% right. So if there are visuals that don't match your script, simply cut them out and add your own clips. Then export your final video. And that's how you use a script to video AI free tool to create a full professional video. No editing skills or budget needed. Try it out today and let me know how it works for you.